Oh, okay. Took some time to go, but we're finally here at Coumshingaun Lough or Coumshingaun Lake. Whew. But it's not as big as it looks like when you see some pictures online. It's just it's big, but it's not as big as you think it is. So many people here today. Coumshingaun Lough or lake. How is it so far, guys? What's your expectations? Are they met?
It's huge.
It's really huge. I actually didn't expect that you can do camping around the lake.
Yeah.
And then swimming.
And swimming, yeah.
Yes.
It's cold.
It's just I didn't know. So it kind of exceeded my expectations.
All right.
And I was
And how long did it take us to walk up here?
supposedly, as what Ate Laura said, should have been 30 to 45 minutes. But according to our Apple Watch,
Yeah.
it was more than 80 minutes.
More than 80
But
minutes
I
to
think-
come up.
But I think it's because of the picture taking, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is fish. Yeah,
Boys, look here.
This is Coumshingaun Lough. A Waterford treasure for sure. The mountains surrounding
Before you left.
the lake. So many people here today, probably because it's Sunday.
and then we should just keep it in until.
Be careful, ha.
Whoa! Oh, I'm trying to stay in.
Landscape.
What?
Go far.
I tried to step on. Oh, that's okay. Swim! Darren, swim! Here. Oh, that's deep. Can you retrieve the stick? Can you push it more for me?
Is it cold enough?
Really? Is it warm? Here.
Or you use the cold showers.
Oh yeah. Kind of. Here, try it.
How's my hat, by the way? That's from Regatta. It's nice, isn't it? It's actually good because It's a bit sunny. It hurts. We're lucky today. It's a good day. It's hard to come up here if it's windy, if you can imagine. Right, guys, how is it from up here?
It's really nice. It's a perfect view if you want the landscape.
Yes.
Like a landscape panoramic view of the Coumshingaun.
Coumshingaun,
That's
yeah.
how you pronounce it correctly. Coumshingaun Lake.
It feels so high.
It's so high, isn't it? It's kind of dangerous as well.
Oh yeah. Cliff is just near here.
Yeah, just there. But it's fascinating from up here, isn't it?
Yes.
It's really
For sure.
one of the treasures of Waterford.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, yeah.
They say if you go here, let's say around winter or when it's rain, don't go when it's
Yeah.
raining.
Let's say.
It's like zero visibility
Yeah.
because of all the fog.
Right, we're enjoying the
Yeah.
scenery here.
Here.
That's good. If you come down to Waterford, check this out. Right, guys?
Yes.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Hit like and subscribe.
Hopefully I won't be attacked by the sheep. So many of them. This is Ireland. It's just amazing. Nature and everything. See? We are here up above the Coumshingaun Lake. Going down might not be the easiest way. It's steep. Really have to be careful. So we have been up there, going down now. Okay, nice weather, lots of people around, but it's outdoor. Keep your social distancing, guys. Stay safe.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
We're heading back to where we started. Where is he? Where is that little boy? Mo! What? Big step. down is probably harder than going up because of your, it's a different muscle group, and it's slippery sometimes. It's okay.
She was like, and you're here for today? Because like I was just...
Oh boy. Good boy. Ow. Stick. Okay. You okay? No, in the middle. No. Oops, step on the rock. Yeah. Good boy. Spiky.
You bring a camera everywhere in the book. Yeah.
Careful.
Pretty much.
No.
Take a picture.
Ow, wow. Spiky.
You're gonna hurt Flad's teeny bit.
You got some?
No.
Wait.
Okay.
You okay?
Okay, guys, we're here now, nearly.
39.
Okay. Good boy.
You're wearing Papa's hat?
Yeah.
Come on. Wanna come up? Careful, this is wobbly. I think this one. I don't know, something.
That one's good.
Which one?
Let me check.
Oh no. Yeah, just a bit.
Tiny.
We just came out from the woods. It's time to go home. But before going home, we're gonna go somewhere. And guess what? Guess is right. We are going to eat! Yes! We're actually parked away from the parking.
So we couldn't park
Car
here
parks.
earlier. There's more people now actually.
More people than earlier
Because
on.
earlier on there's not much cars here.
So we have to be careful. We parked a little bit away from the car park.
Yeah.
For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Check out some more of our videos. There's so much videos about Ireland and
Especially
somewhere
Waterford.
else. Alright, we're on the road.